Hi, my name is Tobias. I'm founder of Tresio. In this short video, I'll show you how to use Tresio to map cost centers in combination with Bexio. Tresio is a financial software designed for SMEs. We offer solutions in liquidity planning, as you can see here, multi-banking engine to cover more than 10,000 banks worldwide, and yes, you guessed right, also reporting and analytics. With the reporting function, Tresio, you can create a wide range of customized reports, such as key performance tracking, but also cash flow statements upon the print of button. And yes, also the cost centers will be mapped in Tresio through the reporting tool. Cost centers are a great tool for managing your company and giving you like an additional layer for controlling business areas. Let's have a look at the example here. It's a bakery business with two branches, one branch in Zurich, one in Lucerne. And what you normally would see in Bexio is actually something like this. Like you have like a general overview of okay, what is income, what is my cost in the standardized export that you have from Bexio, but you cannot drill down any further. And this you actually can do with the cost center function here in Tresio. So we can really set it up individually. So here we have like the revenue in Zurich. We've even digested it further into revenue of the bakery and the cafe that we have. We have the cost of goods sold in Tresio that gives us already the gross result, including gross margin that is calculated automatically. HR cost Zurich, like only Zurich specific, gives us the gross revenue too. Rent Zurich, general admin cost, and then we have like the EBITDA broken down really on both branches, both in Zurich and Lucerne. Another example that we often use, like for SaaS companies, we have a sales team. Apologize, this part is still in German, but of course you can adjust according to your needs. You have the sales team and the IT development team. It has a HR cost, rent cost, and general admin cost. That we just want to see like the total cost per team, and this split like a per team cost center building. This is something that's not possible with a normal balance sheet function or income statement function in Tresio in Bexio. So we built like an option for this. If you want to automate this process, which obviously is the whole point behind it, this works through two different ways. Like one way is you go to edit mode and we really select here, okay, which accounts in the Bexio actually account for the Zurich branch, and we really select those. The other way that is coming very soon is that you can add additional formulas where you can really also set rules that, like for example, 60% of my HR costs is always booked accordingly to this account, and the other one is to the other cost center. As we're developing this tool quickly, we highly recommend you, before you get started, have a brief consultation call with our team. It's absolutely for free for Bexio users, and we'll be very happy to show you what is currently possible and how we can best accommodate your needs in order to get you covered with the cost center function in Tresio. My name is Tobias, I'm founder of Tresio, and I'm very much looking forward to engaging with you. Thank you for your interest.